This wig right here has to be one of the best wigs I have installed in a very long time. Like, I need y'all to look at the texture, the bounce, and the lace of this unit. It is super versatile, and I can't wait to show you guys how I installed and styled this wig. Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So the unit that we are installing today is from WowAfrican.com, and I just want to show you guys the cap that this wig is constructed on. This is their new S cap, and it has this S type of thing to it where it goes behind your ear, and it also comes with a drawstring in the back so that you can wear this as a glueless unit. I love the multiple combs on the inside, especially the grip on the back, so that the wig stays on to your head without causing tension and a headache. Now, this is what the wig looks like in its entirety, straight out of the package. Again, you see that curve that goes behind your ear, so it would fit like a full frontal, but this is a 9x6 lace closure type of wig. And then you see that grip in the back. It's also super breathable because of the netting on the inside. Like, this wig is constructed so beautifully that I am obsessed with it straight out of the package. Like, this is one of them wigs you can tell straight away, like, this is about to be a bomb install. This is their Burmese curly unit, and the wig does come pre-plucked. Knots already bleached for you. It's already cut. Everything is already done for this install. So the first thing I'm going to do is slick back my edges. I'm not going to be doing a ball cap method. I'm just going to do this the simplest way I know how, so that you can install your wig without, too many complications with this install. So I got the cap also on the website. You can get it there. And I love that this cap is super thin. And what we're going to do to make sure that our cap is hidden underneath our wig is to put a little bit of powder on it. So you're going to put whatever powder that you have that is close to your complexion. Since I'm wearing makeup right now, I'm a little bit bronzed, so I'm going to use my bronzer to darken my lace to match my complexion and also the wig cap, so that everything is on one accord. So you just want to brush that all over. If you want to use a creamy bronzer, you can go ahead, but I prefer powder because it's way more easy to use. And then I'm going to tighten the back of my wig just a little bit so that I could see if I could wear this wig glueless. So look how easy this wig went on. Like, imagine getting a wig straight out of the package sitting on your head like this. It's absolutely insane. So what I'm going to do, I want to mimic my hair lining. I always do that. So you can take a shear scissors, whatever you have that you can clip to make it look like your natural hair lining. So I feel like when you do that, it doesn't feel wiggy, if that makes sense. It just makes you feel comfortable because it's actually mimicking your natural hairline. So mine is a little bit further back, so that's why I needed to cut just a little bit off of that lace. Now, you don't have to do the swoop-de-doop situation, but I want to do it because it's something that I like. So you can do whatever preference you like. I know a lot of people get, a little, when it comes to swoops and baby hairs. You can always just forget it for you personally, but for me, I like it. I like a little bit of swoop here and there. And you can take whatever lace spray that you have and just spray it on there. I like to spray it on my fingertips and dab it because it gives me way more control of my application. And then we're going to tie that down to let it dry. For years, I've been working with WowAfrican, and I'm telling you, their wig straight out of the package has never failed with the curl and the pattern. Like I said, this is a Burmese curly unit, and I'm like, I don't even want to mess up the curl pattern of this wig because it is so beautifully done. Like, they took their time with the wig construct, with the quality of the hair, with the greatness of the lace. Just the wig all around is a 10 out of 10. And then I'm just going to cut it a little bit to just frame certain areas, and I'm going to separate some of the curls, not too much of it, but just separate some of it to just give me a little bit more volume. And then I'm going to take this razor just to frame my face. With any type of curly hair, I like to frame my face so that, you know, it gives more like a salon finish, and also I don't know, it just gives a way better look when the hair actually frames your face. Then again, you're gonna go in with your lace spray and just slick the hair back just a little bit in the front. I like that look as well. So you can just style the hair however you feel comfortable doing that, and just go ahead. You can also use a hot comb on the top instead of the spray, but I didn't want it to look too uniform on top, so I went in with a spray instead, or you could use mousse. Now once I'm sure that is dry, it doesn't take any time at all to dry, I just wanted it to look super melted. Then I'm gonna play around with the soups. I don't want it to look too uniform, too well kept, so we just play around with it, loosen them a bit so they look a little bit more soft. And I'm just doing the little final touches until I'm comfortable with the final look. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that bronzing powder and just clean up my part. Actually, I didn't even need to do much because to me it looked too good. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit more just to make sure that my lace is invisible. The lace is so beautifully done. Like, look at that melt of the lace. That little indentation that you're seeing is because I put on the elastic band. That is the indentation that you're seeing. So if I didn't use that and I used a satin scarf instead, gorgeous. Now I finished filming this video and then I was like, you know what, I want to do a couple more styles with it. Let me see what I could do with this unit, because the curl pattern is just too cute, too beautiful to just try one style down. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna do a little half up, half down with a claw clips type of situation, and it came out so cute. I'm like, okay, I am obsessed with this hair all around, because you can't tell me this isn't a cute and easy, simple style you can do with your unit. And then next we're gonna try a low ponytail. I was gonna do a bun at first and I'm like, you know what, ooh, this is kind of cute with the ponytail as well. If you do it a little bit tighter too, it is so natural and so well done. And then the next thing is I'm going to do a little bun. You can use a claw clip if you want, but I'm like, the bun is absolutely giving. I am obsessed with this unit. Y'all don't even understand the love I have for this wig. Let me know what you think about this unit. If I haven't mentioned it before, I got it in 22 inches. All the details and the direct link for the wig will be down below for you. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the wig. You can follow me on social media at Chev at every single social media platform that you know, that is my handle. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.